rewriting every page line by line slow. Not for the grade or just to get it done, because she cared about the work, every single one. Her apology came straight from the heart. No excuses, just a brand new start. Earnest means you're serious and sincere, showing real effort, making your intentions clear, not just going through the motions anymore. Earnest is the honest feeling at your core, serious and sincere, that's what it means when your effort's real and your heart believes. He looked his father straight in the eye, said, "I'm sorry," with no need to justify. His promise wasn't empty words or game. He meant every syllable, no hint of shame. The dedication in his voice rang true, the kind of honest that cuts right through. Earnest means you're serious and sincere, showing real effort, making your intentions clear, not just going through the motions anymore. Earnest is the honest feeling at your core, serious and sincere, that's what it means when your effort's real and your heart believes.
Earnest, serious and sincere, showing real effort or honest feeling. From Old English Earnest, meaning seriousness and zeal. Synonyms, genuine, heartfelt, dedicated, devoted, committed, insincere, flippant, casual, half-hearted, frivolous. When you're earnest, there's no pretending, just pure intention.
Earnest means you're serious and sincere, showing real effort, making your intentions clear, not just going through the motions anymore.